Ladies and gentlemen, I am back. Did any of you care? No. No, you didn't. Well, maybe a couple of you. But I am back. It's been like 10 days, maybe? It's been more than a week since I've done another video. But hey! I thought I would come back with the Daughter of Discord finale. The rewatch. Yes! Let's just hope my commentary is not rusty. Let's do this.
This episode of Daughter of Discord was made possible by the Make-A-Wish Foundation.
Cool.
For without them, we would not have been able to make Pokey in My Pocket's wish come true. Get well soon, Pokey. Previously on Daughter of Discord.
Oh yeah, there's an intro. Cool. Now that we have the intro skipped,
20 years ago.
Oh, 20 years ago.
Before Princess Cadance and Shining Armor's wedding.
That was 20 years ago? Jeez, I'm 20? Oh my god.
Look who it is.
That was 50.
You finally have the gall to speak to me.
Wow.
After, what, 1,000 years now?
Wow, Queen Chrissy.
You were turned to stone.
Didn't mean I couldn't hear anything. You could have visited, you know.
Yeah, you
Would have made
heckin'
the
hecker.
prison less boring.
We can make up for lost time if you would just accept my offer.
It's not going to work, you know. I mean, come on. Do you honestly...
Also, Discord, you were in prison, turned to stone, and literally Canterlot. But then again, it was 1,000 years ago, so Canterlot... No, forget I said anything.
honestly believe that they'll think you're Princess Cadance?
You forget what we changelings can do. No one will know the difference.
Her fiance might.
Duh.
You're not that good of an actress.
Really?
You really think Shining Armor wouldn't be able to tell the difference between the pony he loves and an imposter?
Why not? It worked with you, didn't it?
What are you talking about?
Surely you can remember.
You're a Discord, and you'll always be one.
What?
You?
Still,
What?
I wouldn't be able to pull it
Oh my
off.
god,
I
guys.
mean, Celestia never said that I was...
It was nothing personal, Dissy dear.
Except
I had to
it
get you
was.
angry enough somehow so that you would take over Equestria.
So your changelings could feed.
Exactly. You should thank me for helping you to realize your full potential.
I was getting water.
The reason I snapped? You're the reason I got turned to stone?
How was I to know that was to happen? You're not stone anymore now, are you?
Debatable. Maybe he smoked some weed. Maybe he is stoned right now. Where am I going with this? I don't know.
I thought you were my friend.
Friend? Oh, Dissy.
Define
Dissy,
friend.
Dissy. How could changelings have any friends when they have no hearts to hold any sort of love whatsoever?
I think you're the one without heart, Chrissy.
Get out, you
Chrissy Missy.
parasite! Take Canterlot for all I
Your
care!
ding dong diddly doo ba doo
Just get out of my sight!
Don't think I won't forget this, Dissy dear.
Likewise.
And now,
And now, in the Everfree Forest. Dude, he's moving, man! Good job, my boy.
Smell chocolate.
Good job,
milk.
Mafi.
We're near a chocolate lake, you fool! Of course you smell chocolate milk. Ugh, we better find that little brat soon. Without her, Mothball will never come back to the hive.
He wouldn't have left in the first place if you hadn't locked him up like a prisoner.
He wouldn't have escaped if your guards had
Exactly.
been more competent.
See? You can't even...
And I wouldn't have eaten a chocolate bar if I wasn't hungry, but here I am.
see your own fault here. No wonder he's run away.
speak to me like that again, Mantis, and I will rip out your heart like I should have done ages ago!
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
It came from those bushes. I'll go take a look.
I think I heard a whoosh.
Mantis, what is it?
Nothing,
He's
Your
over
Majesty.
here! What? It's just because of that one scene from the SpongeBob 2 movie where Patrick's just like, I found SpongeBob! He's over here! What?
Just a squirrel.
I am
Keep
also a
looking
squirrel.
for her. I have to get back to dear old Daddy Discord before he starts missing his little zanykins.
Daddy Discord.
Just this once, Your Highness.
Thank you, Mantis.
We love you, Mantis. We love you, Mantis.
First my wife,
Oh my god.
and now my children. I should have known. The only creature you can trust is yourself.
Dada?
Zany!
And Zany.
There's my precious little boy! Oh, you missed your old daddy, didn't you? At least I know you'll never leave me.
Is that lightning? Oh my god, no, wait, I saw lightning. Oh my god, wait, no, it thundered. Wait a minute, wait, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. It might rain, I don't know. I don't even know if you guys heard that.
I need water.
Water, I have water.
Chocolate.
I'm drinking water.
Hang on, Screwy. I'm sure we'll find a place to. Hey! Maybe whoever lives in the tree can help.
Hey, Sakura.
Oh, right. They wouldn't help a changeling, would they?
Who is knocking so late? I am coming, please wait. Who are you, stranger? Do you not know the danger of being out at night in this forest of fright?
Please, you've got to help me. My friend here, she's...
Screwball! Bring her in, place her on the bed, and tell me why she looks near dead.
Damn, near dead. That's a harsh word.
Can you help her?
I can, do not stress. But what caused this sickness?
Well, that is to say...
Do not speak. She is very weak. I can barely feel her heartbeat. I'll make her a soup to eat that will help her get well. Time only then will tell.
Okay.
Never seen a pony like you before.
That's because I'm a zebra, not a pony. I am Zecora, the one and only.
Oh. Well, how do you know Screwball?
17 years ago, her mother came to me to seek comfort on what she was about to
17 years
agree.
ago.
She chose to be the
Back
bride
in
of
World
evil
War
Draconicus. I said that if she went, she would find great happiness.
You got her parents together?
That you could say. Oh, I'll never forget that day.
I will.
How rude of me. Would you
I already
like some
have.
Sure. Do you have any chocolate tea? Okay. Wow, I guess you always have some handy, huh?
Oh, sweet Luna!
Oh, she tricked you, Sonny. She tricked
The
you.
soup is ready for our patient in bed. To help her drink, you must tilt back her head.
Is she going to be okay?
I do not know, I fear. For now,
She'll only be okay if you kiss her on the ear.
she must rest here.
I even
Please get better,
rhymed.
Screwy.
Feel free to stay up. Would you like another cup?
No, thanks.
How interesting.
What? What's so interesting? What is it?
It was very noble of you to help Screwball. I wouldn't expect that from a changeling, Prince Mothball.
Oh, she called you
I
out.
don't know what you're talking about, frankly. It's, I mean, yeah, you're right. I mean, a changeling wouldn't help any pony, but I don't know who this Mothball guy is. Yeah, I mean, Mothball, what
He's
a
probably
dumb name, right?
pretty
You can drop the
hot.
charade. I promise. You can stay.
How did you know? Did my eyes give it away?
No, your tea leaves told me all. There is no tricking me, Prince Mothball.
I called it. I knew it.
Please, it's just Mothball. I'm no prince. I'm a traitor to my kind.
Yes, you did it because you fell in love with the pony you were supposed to dispose of.
Are you psychic or something?
She just has a sixth sense, like me. Why are you humming?
Well, you're half right. Changelings cannot love,
Okay.
let alone fall in love. I don't even have a heart. I mean, I heard Mother say something about Mantis having one, but if I ever did, she probably took it out like she said she'd do to him.
Are you absolutely sure? After bringing Screwball here for a cure?
She's the only friend I've ever had. What was I supposed to do?
The Queen has led your thoughts astray. Perhaps I...
See, like, if you didn't have a heart, you wouldn't have emotion. If you don't have emotion, you would just die. Also, if you didn't have a heart, you would literally also just die. Like, bro. Bro, it's pretty simple. It's simple math. 2 plus 2 equals 22, and not having a heart equals death. You have a heart, my guy.
I can show what made you betray.
Why are you making me touch your chest? I'm very uncomfortable with this right now.
What
Amen,
do you feel
brother.
within my chest?
That's some good
Your
ASMR.
heartbeat.
Indeed. And what do you feel within Screwball's chest?
I feel.
Her heartbeat.
I feel.
What does that have to do
And
with...
your chest?
I feel. I feel. I feel.
There has to be another
feel.
explanation. Something else. I can't... I'm not supposed to have a heart.
That does not mean you cannot. What else can fill that spot? If you are heartless, Mothball, how do you explain your feelings for Screwball?
Exactly. Please.
I can't explain it. The moment I saw her, I was bewitched. Sometimes I wonder if she cast a spell on me, but the more time I spent with her, the more I was compelled to stay with her. I tried not to because I didn't want to hurt her, but I kept coming back. I know she loves me. I've always known. I was supposed to feed off of it. But you know something? No matter how much time I spent with her, she never seemed to wither, not in the slightest. I felt her love transfer to me, but her energy never diminished. I began to assume she was immune. That was clearly not the case after what my mother...
Mothball. That was not a sweet enough speech. That was not sweet enough. I was supposed to cry there, and you didn't make me cry. You're a disappointment, Mothball, and I'm going to get a dip. I have cookies now. Yep.
mother did to her. I can't stop thinking about her. Everything about her. Her laugh,
Ew. That was a terrible picture.
her sense of humor,
I'm kidding.
her hair,
Or am I?
her eyes. Oh, what I would give to see them again. You think she'll get better soon? Zakora? Where'd you go?
Do not fear.
Where'd you
I am
go?
Over here.
What are you doing with my teacup?
Look into the bubbling brew and see what the future has in store for you.
I'm looking. Ooh, that's a good noise. I love that noise. Give me more of that noise.
That's me and Screwball. Hugging. We're glowing? Our bodies are forming a heart?
Okay, you guys definitely heard that one, right? There's no way you guys didn't hear that one.
was that?
Oh my god, why is everything interrupting me, please? There should be no more distractions.
That is what happens when two become one. They possess a magic more powerful than the sun. What you think as a weakness
The
is not so.
sun!
Strength is what comes with the glow.
Do you ever give a straight answer?
Nope.
With some more lightning. Screwball. Screwball.
Take it easy,
I
my little
ate
filly.
your chicken.
It is good to see you awake. Tell me, does anything ache?
My head.
Drink this, but not too fast. You lack strength, but the worst has passed.
How did I get here? And how long was I
Well.
out?
For an hour you have been here. It was one of your friends who brought you, dear.
Really?
Dinky? Or was it not Dinky?
Dinky? One of the twins? I doubt it was Aquafresh. And the tripods are too small to carry me.
Hey, Zakora! I got those herbs you asked for.
Whoa, jiddly baby!
You!
You're awake? Oh, thank goodness!
Could you let him in here? Do you have any idea who he is?
He is the one who saved your life. I do not know why this causes strife.
Saved my life, my hoof. What
Damn.
happened, Your Highness? Didn't want to lose your primary food source?
What are you talking about?
Don't play dumb! You told your mother all my secrets!
Oh, I didn't.
Oh, so she didn't send you to train me up, my love, and promise that you could have me as a prize?
Well,
I
yes, she did
mean,
say all that, but
give
I
up a
knew it!
prize,
You
Screwball.
betrayed me! What a relief! I am so glad we got that cleared up! I am so glad we could go back to living the way we were! La-di-da-di-da! Oh, no! Wait! We can't! Because you know why? My father has been tricked, and now he's probably gonna get turned to stone and... Oh, Celestia knows what else is gonna happen!
screw it, let me explain.
You were my
Cheers.
friend!
It was the only way to save.
I trusted you!
I thought you were my friend. You know, that phrase has been used a lot in entertainment. Their movies, TV shows, books. Literally memes. There are so many pieces of entertainment that use that line. Wonder why. Somebody just like make like a 10 to 20 minute video just analyzing that phrase and just going over examples of it. Just yeah, yes.
Screwball, please lie down.
No! I won't be in the same room as him!
Screw it, please.
Then
don't
Moxie
have the
will leave.
strength.
You don't have to leave.
Don't go. Changelings are still looking for you. It's not safe out there.
I don't care! As long as I'm away from you!
Damn, she even smacked you in the
Don't know why I did it.
Oh yeah, song. This episode, this finale, has a song, like one of the only songs in the series where I don't feel weird, where I feel like it was actually really well made. Not to say that the songs are terrible or anything, just, you know.
Don't know why I gave
Always
in.
feel weird when they sing.
No, my heart is breaking. I won't be made a fool again. I thought he was honest. When I looked into his eyes,
I see the
look
story in
at
your eyes.
me. Like,
Where am I dancing? The night begins to shine.
I feel a connection. We yada yada harmonize.
Please, Mothy. Oh. Please stop, Mothy, please.
Our bond cannot be broken. Though Dracula might criticize. You see,
Get this man on American Idol.
Descended periodically. Because
They're super duper. They're super duper looper scooper diddly duper. Bibbidi-boobidi-doo.
And I've been falling faster with every moment we spend.
We'll dance tonight and after.
Promise we're more than just friends.
Damn, promise we're more than just friends.
I
That's a banger line, though. Promise we're more than just friends. It's a banger line.
love you, Screwy.
Oh, damn, that was a high-pitched squeal. Just...
We have a
I've
connection.
met a girl
Let's face it, we
who's
are
unlike any other. She has changed my
Or
whole
lightning.
world.
Dude, just
And
rain
right now
already,
I
please. You've been
discover
lightning, you've been
and
thundering. Just rain already, please. Just do it. See it even lightning again. You did the thing again.
I fell for
It
you.
thundered. I'm shaking my water bottle because I want it to rain. Do it. You won't. Do it. This sounds like a sunny day. This doesn't sound like depression.
Matthew, where? A note?
Screwy, I promise I will make everything right again. I will be back in a bit. Love, Mothball.
Day.
Morning, Zakora.
Are those scrambled eggs?
Yes. Daddy made it rain scrambled eggs?
No, my dear Screwball. These were poured from the waterfall.
Ah, the waterfall. Typical. By any chance, did Mothball tell you where he went?
He has not yet returned? It was hours ago I learned that he had gone. Now it is dawn.
Well, it said day.
Be. What if he runs into his mother? I can't lose him now that I found him again. Zakora, can't you look into your magical brew or something?
I will see what I can do. Hand me that jar of dust, would you?
Here.
Jar of dust. What? Let's hope those aren't ashes.
That's not Mothball. That's my mom and my aunt.
Hush and shush.
Hush and shush.
hours are up.
How can you even tell with the sun rising and setting at random?
Discord's magic has no effect on my watch. I'm sorry.
What's your
I had to
watch?
Come to this, Fluttershy.
Wait, no, wait, hey, what do you mean? What do you mean? The sun and moon, Discord's magic does have an effect on my watch. What's your watch? What do you mean? What watch are you using? See, even the thunder agrees. What watch are you referring to?
Just a little more time, please.
You could try to reason with him once more, but it must be done. Come on, girls. Let's find Discord.
No! You're gonna do it! You're gonna turn Daddy to stone!
Where are you going?
I have to warn him! Or Mom if I find her first! They don't know what Chrysalis has been doing! They don't know what—
Wait a minute. I think it's starting to rain. Oh. Oh. Oh.
what Mothball told me! I gotta fix this! When Mothball gets back, tell him where I've gone!
Damn. What the heck? Did she slam the door or did she get knocked out by a frying pan? God dang.
Oh, look. A dolphin swimming
She got struck by lightning and thunder.
We would love that. Oh.
No! It's raining!
There. Dancing daisies. That little trick would always make Fluttershy laugh. Who am I kidding? What good is all this chaos if no pony is around to appreciate it?
Dude, it's raining with chocolate rain.
Oh, but you're just a baby, Zany. You'll appreciate anything. See, I'm not even trying and you're already laughing.
Exactly.
Oh, I suppose it is good that I have you here, my son. What, with your pink hair? Just like your mother's? Your swirly eyes? Just like Screwball's? Just red?
Yeah. Wait a minute!
Oh, why can't things be the way they used to be?
There he is.
Huh? Fluttershy?
Discord, your 24 hours are up.
Dude, I can't believe it's raining.
Crimes you've committed against Equestria. We have no choice but...
Aww.
Are you listening to me?
What?
I said your 24 hours are up.
What? 24 hours?
Yes, and I see you're still causing chaos.
Okay, can some pony give me some context? Cause
Yes,
I
please.
think I'm missing something here.
Yeah, your sanity?
We will give you one more
Damn.
chance, Discord. Unless you stop this madness now, we'll have no choice but to use the elements of harmony.
Fluttershy, you're letting them do this?
I thought you had changed, but
Yeah, I know this moment is really dramatic and all, but, you know, we have the rain here, and, I would just like to take a moment to explain the rain. So, a bit of a backstory here. You could skip ahead if you want, because this might be a little bit of a longer backstory. Back when I was rewatching Bride of Discord, back when I had maybe, I don't know, like, below 20 subs. Look at me now. Above 90. Not even at 100. Let's go. Anyway. So... I was watching episode 8 specifically. And it started to rain. Like, really, really rain. During the episode. And throughout the rest of that video... I was just making jokes about the rain, you know, disgusting with the rain, and I made it part of the channel lore, basically. And I remember having so much fun during that recording session that it just stuck in my mind. It just stuck in my mind forever. And here we are at the literal finale, and it's raining. And as soon as I said that, the rain started to cool down. It did lightning again, though, so that's a good sign. I want it to rain harder, though, because it rained ridiculously hard the last time it rained. During one of these recording sessions. It was great, man. Come on. You can do it, man. You can do it.
I was wrong.
But you know what it was like for me in there. I won't be able to move. I'll be frozen forever. I'll be all alone in the cold! You would do that to me again? Fluttershy, why? What have I done to drive you away?
Damn.
Was I a bad husband? Did I offend you? Was it because I yelled at Screwball? Because I apologized for that!
Hi, where is Screwball?
She's